Okay. Good morning to Vandal. In previous class, we discussed about conditions of the position of the line based on the vertical plane and horizontal plane. Now I am going to discuss about first case, that is projection of straight line that is parallel to both the planes. Okay, we have to identify the condition based on the given problem. Okay, here the problem given that a line AB of 50 mm long, the length of the line is 50 mm long, is parallel to both the HP and VP. Here they given directly condition that is parallel to both HP and VP. Based on the question, we have to identify the condition of the object. It is parallel to both HP and VP. Okay. Next, the line is 40 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. From horizontal plane, it is 40 mm above, and from vertical plane, it is 30 mm in front of VP. Above HP, in front of VP. That means it is first quadrant. The object is in first quadrant. We have to identify this by using these two conditions. 40 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Above and in front. That means it is in first quadrant. Okay, we need to draw the projections of the line. Okay, for every problem, first we need to draw the reference line, that is XY. It is in first quadrant, so that it is above the XY, will get vertical plane. Below the XY, it is horizontal plane. Okay, here the line first we need to give the above and in front. Above value means, above means it is above the XY. How much length is 40 mm above HP? 40 mm above HP. The length. Next, similarly, it is the point. Front view means A dash. Okay. Next, 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. We'll take any point on the XY mode. This point is any point. Okay. From this point to this point distance is, it is the point A. Up to now, we projected the starting points of the line, but the line contains two ends, start and end points. Up to now we projected start point. Here the length of the line is 30 mm. Sorry, the length of the line is 50 mm. Okay, from A to B dash, the length is 30 mm. It is parallel to the HP, so that it is parallel to XY. It is B dash, A dash, B dash. It is the front view of the line. We need to project, that is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Here, from this point to this point, length is 50. Similarly, okay. The front view and top view, we need to give the dark lines. Front view and top view. It is the point B. Front view and top. Front view is represented by A dash, B dash, and top view is represented by AP. Okay, and it is the reference line XY. Okay, next, after completion of drawing, we need to give the dimensions. Okay, now I am going to give the dimensions from this point to this point. Length is 40. For every diagram, after completion of diagram, we need to give the dimensions compulsory. Okay, it is 40 mm and in front of VP, that is 30 mm. Okay, now we given above HP and in front of VP. Next, we need to give the length of the line. Length of the line is 50 mm. Length of the line is 50 mm. Okay, like this we need to draw the given line based on the given condition. Okay, based on this problem, this condition is parallel to both HP and VP. Okay, now we completed this first condition, parallel to both the reference plane. Okay, thanks for watching.